Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 3. Today we will learn numbers in English. We will speak slowly and repeat together. Let's review. Hello, hi, bye. My name is. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 10. Let's begin. This is number 1. Repeat. 1, 1. O N E. 1. This is number 2. Repeat. 2. 2. T W O. 2. This is number 3. Repeat. 3. 3. T H R E E. 3. This is number 4. Repeat. 4. 4. F O U R. 4. This is number 5. Repeat. 5. 5. F I V E. 5. This is number 6. Repeat. 6. 6. S I X. 6. This is number 7. Repeat. 7. 7. S E V E N. 7. This is number 8. Repeat. 8. 8. E I G H T. 8. This is number 9. Repeat. 9. 9. N I N E. 9. This is number 10. Repeat. 10. 10. T E N. 10. Let's look at the spelling again. 1. O N W O 2 3 T H R double E 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10. Now let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What number is this? That's right. It's 8. What number is this? Good. It's 4. What number is this? Good. It's 1. What number is this? Yes, it's 9. Now let's say all numbers together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now you can say numbers in English. Practice again. See you in the next lesson. Bye.